Introducing StoneFabBI, an innovative new software service that extends the reporting and analytics capabilities of Stone Profit Systems, a popular ERP in the stone industry. StoneFabBI can model and present your SPS data in ways that provide you with insight into your business that would otherwise take hours of manual effort to assemble. With our cloud-based sync, your data is updated daily, and our data modeling allows us to build metrics and key performance indicators that give you insight into your business like never before. Why not bring your data to life? Contact us today and learn how StoneFabBI can help you make data-driven decisions that will improve efficiency and profits in your shop.